In today's digital age, a strong online presence is non-negotiable for business success. At the heart of this presence lies search engine optimization, or SEO, a powerful tool that can make or break your digital strategy. Simply put, SEO is the art and science of making your website more visible on search engines like Google. When potential customers search for products or services you offer, you want your website to be among the top results. Think of search engines as powerful librarians of the internet. They constantly crawl and index billions of web pages, organizing them based on complex algorithms. By optimizing your website, you're essentially speaking the language of search engines, making it easier for them to find, understand, and rank your content higher. In a crowded digital marketplace, visibility is paramount. Imagine your website as a storefront on a bustling street. SEO is what places you on the busiest corner, ensuring potential customers see you first. When your website ranks higher in search results, you gain more organic visibility. Studies consistently show that a significant portion of users click on the first few search results, often overlooking those buried on later pages. Increased visibility translates to more potential customers discovering your brand, exploring your offerings, and ultimately converting into leads or sales. It's about being in the right place at the right time, when your target audience is actively looking for what you have to offer. Search engines like Google prioritize providing the best possible experience for their users. This means delivering the most relevant, credible, and trustworthy results for every search query. When your website consistently ranks high in search results, it signals to users that search engines consider your content authoritative and reliable. Think about it. When you're researching a product or service, are you more likely to trust a website that appears at the top of the search results or one buried on page 10? The answer is clear. We naturally associate high rankings with trustworthiness. By consistently producing high-quality content, optimizing your website for user experience, and earning backlinks from other reputable websites, you're signaling to search engines that your website is a valuable resource. SEO versus paid advertising, a matter of value and sustainability. While paid advertising offers immediate visibility, SEO is a more sustainable and cost-effective long-term strategy. Think of paid advertising as renting a billboard. You pay for visibility as long as your campaign runs. SEO, on the other hand, is like owning that billboard outright. With paid advertising, you pay for each click or impression, and your visibility vanishes the moment your budget runs dry. SEO, while requiring an upfront investment of time and effort, delivers compounding returns over time. As you consistently optimize your website and build your online authority, you'll see a steady increase in organic traffic, leads, and ultimately, sales. This sustained growth is far more valuable than the temporary visibility offered by paid advertising. Playing the long game, SEO as a sustainable strategy. SEO is not a quick fix. It's a long-term strategy that demands patience, consistency, and ongoing optimization. Unlike other marketing tactics that yield fleeting results, SEO builds a solid foundation for sustained online success. Think of SEO as cultivating a garden. You carefully plant the seeds, your website content, nurture them with regular watering, optimization, and patiently wait for them to blossom, high rankings and organic traffic. As your website gains authority and visibility, the results compound over time. Embracing SEO means investing in the long-term health and growth of your online presence. Leveling the playing field, SEO for small businesses. In the past, competing with larger corporations seemed like an insurmountable challenge for small businesses. However, SEO has emerged as a game changer, leveling the playing field and empowering small businesses to thrive online. By targeting specific keywords relevant to their niche, small businesses can attract highly qualified traffic that is more likely to convert. SEO enables small businesses to build a strong online presence without breaking the bank. By investing in SEO, small businesses can establish themselves as authorities in their respective fields, build trust with their target audience, and compete head-to-head with much larger companies. Embrace SEO, unlock growth, and outpace the competition. In today's digital-first world, SEO is no longer optional. It's an indispensable investment for businesses of all sizes. By embracing SEO, you're unlocking a world of opportunities to enhance your online visibility, build trust with your audience, and drive sustainable growth. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires ongoing effort, adaptation, and a commitment to providing valuable content and a seamless user experience. By incorporating SEO into your digital strategy, you're setting your business up for long-term success. Embrace the power of SEO and watch your business thrive.